Yeah, good morning, everyone. So the next topic is in pharmaceutical calculations. The next topic is proof spirit calculations. Proof spirit calculations. What is proof spirit and what are its calculations? Let's see in this class. So see, the strength of alcohol is mainly calculated in proof degrees. See, the alcohol we use in pharmacy as a vehicle. How we use water, the same way we use alcohol as a vehicle for preparing compounds in pharmacy. So the strength of alcohol is mainly calculated in terms of proof degrees. Proof degrees. So the Indian standards of 100% proof spirit is equal to 57% volume by volume of ethyl alcohol. So in India, 100% proof spirit means what? 100% proof spirit means only 57% volume by volume ethyl alcohol. If it is 57% volume by volume ethyl alcohol, then that is called as 100% proof spirit. You should always remember 100% proof spirit means not 100% alcohol or 100% alcohol. You have to remember 100% proof spirit means only 57% volume by volume ethyl alcohol is called as 100% proof spirit. 57% volume by volume ethyl alcohol is only called as 100% proof spirit. If the value is more than 57%, if the value of ethyl alcohol is more than 57%, then that type of alcohol is said to be as overproof spirit. Overproof spirit. And if the value is less than 57%, if the value is less than 57%, then that is said to be as underproof spirit. Simply 57% volume by volume ethyl alcohol is called as 100% proof spirit. If the value is more than 57%, then it is overproof spirit. If the value is less than 57%, then that is underproof spirit. So these are the terminology you have to remember, and these are the definitions you have to remember. First of all, proof spirit definition. Proof spirit means what? If it is 57% volume by volume ethyl alcohol, then that is called as proof spirit. If it is above 57%, then that is overproof spirit. If it is less than 57%, then that is underproof spirit. So these are the definitions and these are the terminology you have to remember in this proof spirit calculations. So the next one you see in India, mainly the exercise duty is calculated. Excise duty is mainly calculated in the terms of rupees per liter of proof alcohol. So they mainly calculate in the terms of proof alcohol or proof spirit. So that is called as proof strength. That proof alcohol is converted into proof strength and proof strength is converted into proof alcohol. Like that, they will consider in India, the excise duty will consider it as proof alcohol or proof spirit. So that is why these are called as proof spirit calculations. So what you have to do is regarding proof spirit calculations, first you have to multiply whatever the percentage of alcohol problem given to you. The percentage of alcohol should be multiplied by 1.753. It should be multiplied with 1.753, and after multiplying with 1.753, and you have to deduct 100 from that multiplication. So for example, 50% alcohol is there. 50% alcohol means what you have to do? 50 is multiplied with 1.753. That is 50 into 1.753. And you have to deduct 100. 50 into 1.753 minus 100. And if it is given only 40% alcohol, then 40 into 1.753 minus 100. If it is given only 30% alcohol, then 30 into 1.753 minus 100. So like this, you have to calculate the percentage proof spirit calculations. See, after calculating, after multiplying with 1.753 and deducting with 100, if the result, the product result is positive, then that is known as overproof. If the result is negative, minus, then that is known as underproof. Means after calculating, for example, I am saying 40% is there. 40 into 1.753 minus 100, if it is given positive, then that is overproof. If the result is negative, then that is underproof. See, you can see here 1.753. Why 1.753 we have to take? You may get the doubt. Why we have to take only 1.753 as standard? Why? You see here, 57.1 volume of ethyl alcohol is equal to 100 ml of proof spirit, that you know. So 1 ml of ethyl alcohol means how much? 1 ml of ethyl alcohol is equal to 100 by 57.1. 100 by 57.1, you will get 1.753 volume of proof spirit. So that is why we have to multiply with 1.753. So example problem you see here. Calculate the strength of 30 degrees over proof and 40 degrees under proof alcohol. So 30 degrees over proof means what? What is the value we have to do? 100 ml of proof spirit plus 30. 30 degrees over proof means plus 30. That is, over proof means always plus. So 30 degrees over proof means 100 plus 30. So that is 130. 40 degrees under proof means what? Under proof means what? Always minus. So 40 degrees under proof means proof spirit 100 minus 40. So that is 60. 60. Now we have to calculate the strength of alcohol. Alcohol strength is equal to over proof how much? 30. So 100 plus 30 by what is the volume? 1.753. So that you use 130 by 1.753. Then what is required? 74.15% of volume by volume alcohol is required. Next, alcohol strength of next one, that is under proof. Under proof how much? 40. So 100 minus 40 by 1.753. 100 minus 40 by 1.753, then we will get 34.23%. So if the strength is 74.15%, you check it, just you check the value. 74.15 into 1.753 minus 100. Then how much we will get? 129.9. So 129.9 minus 100, we will get plus 29.9. So that means what? Plus 29.9 means that is overproof. Simple. Next, another problem you see. What is the proof strength of 95% volume by volume alcohol? So 95% means how we have to calculate? Percentage strength of alcohol, how much? 95 into what is the multiplying value? 1.753. So 95 into 1.753. What is the value which we have to detect? That is 100. So 95 into 1.753 minus 100. Then we will get plus 66.53 degrees. Plus means what? Over proof. So next one, 70% volume of volume alcohol. You see 70 into 1.753 minus 100. Then we will get 22.71. 22.71 means what? Overproof. So now what we have to do is we have to convert this into gallons. Sometimes the problem may come in gallons. So that is why we have to convert it into gallons. So 100 gallons of 70% alcohol is 122.71 units. That is given in the problem. Then 1 gallon of 70% alcohol, what we have to get? 1 gallon of 70% alcohol is 122.71 by 100. So for 100 gallons, it is 122. But then 1 gallon, how much? 122 by 100. That is 1.22 into 71. Now, in problem, what is required? We require 5 gallons of 70% alcohol. How much? So 5 gallons is 1 gallon, how much? 1.2271. Then 1.2271 into 5, then we will get 6.13. So that is 5 gallons of 70% alcohol. It is clear. In the problem, what they have asked is, you have to calculate about 5 gallons of 70% alcohol. So first 70% alcohol calculation we have to do. So 70% alcohol calculation, when you do it, that is 70 into 1.753 minus 100. Then you will get 22.71, that is overproof. Then according to the calculation, 100 gallons of 70% alcohol is 122.71 units. Then 1 gallon, how much? 1 gallon of 70% alcohol is 122.71 by 100. That is 1.2271. So 1.2271 is per 1 gallon. Then 5 gallons, how much? 5 into 1.2271. That is 6.1355. So this is about the problem. When it is given in gallons, you have to do like this. You have to do the problem. You have to do the solution like this for the problem which has to be given in gallons. So this is about proof spirit calculations. This is the way to perform proof spirit calculations. Thank you. In the next class, we will discuss another type of calculations, that is maybe with isotonicity. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel for more and more pharmacy classes. Jai Hind.